Give that one to B. Look, give this one to B. Whoop. Say uh-oh.
Okay, Blakely, let's see here. What's a good spot for that
Give
one?
that one to Dada.
How about... Oh, yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, actually put on this one.
To Dada. Dennis, she's trying to give it to you.
Thank you, baby. So good.
Give that to B.
Made out China all things.
Right, all different things, huh?
Like sparkles and stuff.
Uh-huh.
We can even make it of
Give that to B.
candy cane.
Give that to B. Give that to B.
Aww.
Give this to Dada.
Thank you, baby.
No touch. No, Riley, no touch.
Just me and Daddy to touch it.
Right. Can you give this one to B?
You have so many for me.
Give it to B. And this one to Dada.
Thank you, baby.
Give that one to B. Give it to B. Riley.
You better.
Hey, don't take it. Don't take it. Is it on the floor? She still have it? Oh, get it. A good job. Riley, are you done?
Heavy ones here.
What's that look for? Wait, here. Give this to B.
You have all of these ornaments. What, 3 East Carolina